A quick heads up before you get started is you're going to need a 36mm wrench or tool that looks like this to remove the fan clutch from the water pump. Let's grab onto this plastic piece. We'll carefully lift it up. Remove this from the vehicle. Now let's go ahead and get this out of the way. To remove this top area, along both sides of the radiator, you're going to find a 10mm headed bolt. Go ahead and remove the pair. Now we can get this out of here. Let's go ahead and use our 36mm. We're going to put it right on the fan clutch, which is located right up against that water pump. Go ahead and drive that counterclockwise until it breaks free. Once you have it broken free, carefully grab onto the front of it. I'm just going to go ahead and press it directly up against the water pump and away from the radiator because I don't want to damage this as I continue unscrewing it counterclockwise and then eventually removing it from the vehicle. There it is, friends. Okay, friends, it's time to get ready to install our cooling fan. Before we go ahead and put this onto the engine, take a look down at the water pump. You can see that you have threaded area here. That's the area that that fan needs to screw onto. Make sure it doesn't look rusted or rotted or damaged in any way. If it does, you have to go ahead and replace the water pump. Ours looks fine, so let's get ready for our install. Let's get this fan in here. We're going to line it up with the threads of the water pump. Press it up against the water pump gently and just turn it clockwise until it feels like it bottoms out against the water pump. Now that I have it bottomed out, I'm just going to give it a couple taps just to make sure it's locked in. Let's get the top of our fan shroud in here. As we bring it down, you want to look along the sides. The bottom of the fan shroud has a little cup for the top to fit into. Just go ahead and slide it right down. We'll double check the other side as well. Once you have both of them lined up, continue on with your mounting bolts. For these, we're just going to start them in and snug them right up. Make sure it's secure. Let's get this trim piece in. As you turn it over, you're going to find that you have alignment points. There's one here, and then of course there's the area on the body. You're going to find the same exact thing on the other side. Just go ahead and slide that in, line it up, press it in. Give it a little wiggle to make sure it's secure. Okay friends, we got the truck back together. At this point, you're going to want to go ahead and start up the vehicle. Let it run for a little while. You want to make sure you don't hear any funny noises, then take it for a road test. Thank you for watching.